What's up, guys? Changing gears a little bit today. I hope you can hear me all right. It's kind of windy out here. But I am in Cape Coral, Florida on a kayak, as you can see. Doing a little flats fishing. Just got myself a little popper cork with a shrimp on it. And basically, the rule of thumb here is you take this cork, it's got a couple beads on it, metal beads and everything, so you cast it out and you stir up that water a little bit. There's a lot of the fish in here, I guess, I don't really know a whole lot about it, but they feed on the top, so you kind of break the surface of the water like that, and then the fish will see that shrimp behind it, and then they'll come up and grab that shrimp, and there's trout and redfish and stuff in here. And if I want to get some snook, I'm gonna go back into the mangroves for a little bit. But yeah, it's just a lot of fun, something new, type of fishing I've never done before, so stay tuned, because I hopefully will hook into something. Oh my god, shrimp came off. Alright, in the interest of conserving my live shrimp, I'm going to use this little plastic flipper here with a red jig on it, but let's see if that works. Because I only have a bucket full of shrimp and I kind of want to save them for when I go back to the mangroves. Go for some snook, and oh, I just had a bite. God dang it. And I mean, you paddle out here and you see dolphins and manatees and all that good stuff. It's actually really cool. I had a manatee come up underneath my kayak yesterday and got me soaked. But I wasn't mad about it. It's pretty cool. Just casting all over the place. This whole thing, like, see where that boat's driving? The deepest part of it, I've learned, is about 12 feet. I don't know if you can see, there's posts all throughout there, but that's for boat traffic. And then here where I'm at, I can take my paddle and stick it down, and there's the bottom right there. So this whole thing, it's all, I guess you can walk across just about the whole thing. So, I mean, and then you have to think about the tide coming in and out and all that stuff. It's a little bit past my expertise, but I'm trying to learn. So hopefully I can hook into something for you guys and show you some of the fish that are out here, all you North Dakota kids like me that don't know what the heck you're doing when you come down here, because pretty much everything I knew about fishing, you can flush it down the toilet when you get down here. It's a whole different ball game. But stay tuned, because I'm hopefully going to get something here. That's my dad way over there, if you can see him. We're both just trying different areas, different things. We don't really know what the hell we're doing, to be honest with you. There we go. Fish on. Oh, there's a little trout. Fish on, baby, fish on. Oh my god. That manatee almost tipped me over yesterday, though. That was so awesome. I mean, it wouldn't have been awesome had I gone in the water, but it was really cool. Because I just paddled right over top of him and I just saw his tail come up. Alright, I'm gonna go catch up to him and see if we can't. With me being on that tour yesterday, I'm kind of acting as the guide today, so we're probably gonna end up getting lost and eaten by something. So if this is my signing off video, I'm sorry. I love you all. There's a little raccoon right there. What are you looking for, bud? Huh? How did you get way out there anyway? You want a shrimp? Moving on. It's starting to rain again. Fish on, fish on. Fish on, baby. Fish on. Come on, honey. Tighten her down a little bit, horse her in here. Come on, baby, there you are. What is it? I think it might be a snook. Oh, it's a redfish. Oh, nice red. Come on, baby. Oh, don't get in my anchor, don't get in my anchor. Alright, didn't get in the anchor. Oh, look at that redfish. Awesome. Come here, buddy. Come on. Oh, yes. Look at that redfish. Oh, come here. Awesome. That's my first redfish ever. Right in the corner of the mouth. Perfect. Tell you what, you just throw that shrimp with that bobber right up into those mangroves up there. Look at that. Perfect redfish. Awesome. Thank you, buddy. There he goes. Yes. First redfish ever. Awesome. Starting to mist a little bit. I have to take my GoPro off here. Fish on, fish on, fish on. Fish on, baby. What is it? What is it? Another red. Sweet. Sweet. Flopping, flop, flop, flop like crazy. All right, I got you, buddy. I got you. I got you. Come on. My dad has my players on the other side of the island. Come on. Come on. Come on. I gotta put my camera away. It's gonna get too wet. Look at that. Another redfish. Awesome. Alright, let's go down a little bit. Fish on, fish on. It's a little mangrove snapper. Alright, 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 alright. There he is. Oh, there's something right there that scared that fish up. Kind of got to skip it along the water to get it underneath those trees a little bit. See if I can repeat that again. Kind of. Oh! Oh, just had a snook. Dad, just had a snook. And it's starting to rain again. I'll have to put the camera away. I don't know. I'll check. Yeah, I'm gonna put the camera away.